to Hearts and Crafts with Anna. I'm Anna. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you visited this channel before, it is so good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, and do crafts. I know that some of you are preparing, decorating, getting ready for Halloween, but Halloween is right in the middle of the fall season, and I still have a lot of fall items and DIYs to share with you. In today's video, I have a super Heart of Fall haul featuring items from the Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and Joann's. If you watch closely, you'll find little messages that will let you know which videos to watch that feature items from this haul. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any fun. Now let's get to this super Heart of Fall haul. I have a few things to show you. I went to Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, and Joann's, and I have a couple of things that I bought at each of the stores, and I'd like to show you what I got. So I'm going to start with these little scarecrows from the Dollar Tree. These scarecrows are on these dowels, and they come in the maroon. He's got a maroon hat. This one's got a little orange hat, an orange hat, and a blue hat. And this blue color is really popular right now for the fall season. A lot of people are using the blue in there with their oranges and yellows and greens. It does really add a little bit of a different touch to that fall decor, but it is really pretty. And I got this little scarecrow. This scarecrow can sit on your 3-tiered trays. He'll look really cute, maybe sitting on a shelf in your bathroom, and he's got a sweet little face, so I picked him up. I got some pumpkins. They have the wired stems on the back, so you can wrap them up into your wreaths or in your floral arrangements. And then I got this set of 3 pumpkins. These are plastic, or they're kind of like a little bit of foam. I guess they're foam. And these have the clips on the back, so you can clip them in to your arrangements. And the thing about these and these, they're easy to paint. You can certainly change those out to different colors. I got these pumpkins. This green one, it's an emerald green. These are velvet, and I'm going to add, my touch. There's this really pretty orange one, and then this teal blue one. And you could take these apart, paint them, rewrap them, or use them just like this. So I got those 3. I'm gonna hop over to Hobby Lobby. I got these from Hobby Lobby, or this one from Hobby Lobby. This one is in the boho kind of style. It's textured, multicolored print, and this is a Robert Stanley pumpkin. It was $8.99, and Hobby Lobby has their fall decor on sale for 40% off, so this came out to probably, I think, about maybe $5, something like that. And then this really pretty pumpkin. I tell you, this blue is really in right now for the fall colors. It's got this metal leaves on it, and also a Robert Stanley. This one is a light. I could try and turn it on for you right now. I don't know if you'd be able to see that the light is on, but it does have a little light in there. So this is really pretty. From Joann's, I picked up these 3 pumpkins. This is in the green, the orange, and the gold, like a harvest gold color. This is the only thing I got at Joann's. Joann's had 50% off on their fall decor, but I only got these. These were $1.99, and so they were 50% off. So they came out to $1. These again are velvet covered pumpkins. on a foam. So you could redo these or use these as is. I think on these I'm just going to use them as they are in my decor. I picked up at Dollar Tree these little crates. These crates are perfect right now for fall because you can put your little pumpkins in there, you can put some hay, put in your scarecrows. So just paint them up and add them into your decor. I'm going to be doing a couple of DIYs with these and I'll show you what we make with them. And at Dollar Tree I finally found the little houses. I thought I might pick up the other two, but I really liked this one. This one says welcome and it has the opening there for your tea light. I thought I could put it at my coffee bar and just add a little bit of fall decor on there. I got at Dollar Tree this banner. This banner comes, it's on a hanger, little dowel. It's felt pumpkins, the felt banner says give thanks. It's really pretty. It's just a little door hanger and I really like that. I thought that the colors were nice and the sentiment was very nice. And at Dollar Tree I picked up the doormats. These doormats, this one says gather here, and then I got the one with the truck and it says hello fall. These are very lightweight, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue them on a separate mat so that they could be weighed down a little bit more and they hopefully don't fly away. So I got those. That is all I got from Dollar Tree. And at Hobby Lobby I picked up these two fall leaves. Aren't they pretty? Look at these. This is maple leaf, this is wood, or I think it's hollow. I'm not sure what it's made out of. But these were on their clearance, regular $9.99, and I got this one for $2.49, and then I got this one for $2.24. But these are just really pretty. I think I could just set them on a table, put some pumpkins around them and some fall leaves around it, maybe sit a little scarecrow by it, and it's going to make its own little fall scape there. So those are really pretty. And I got these mugs. These mugs were 40% off. These mugs, this one was $9.99, and this one has the owl on it. It's got a really pretty brown handle, and then the fall leaves with some acorns all around it. So this little owl, he's just a hoot, isn't he? And then this one, it kind of looks like an enamel mug, but it's ceramic, it's orange, and it has the black farmhouse look with the white inside. Nice big chunky mug, good for those frothy cappuccinos. This one was also $9.99, 40% off. So I got these for about the price of one, so I couldn't pass them up. And I got some I don't know, rope, I guess you would call this, kind of like a jute rope. Look how pretty that is. It's got the browns, it's got all of the fall colors in there. I just thought it was really pretty, and there's a multiple use for that. This roll is 30 feet. It was $5.99, so 40% off Hobby Lobby. That makes it about maybe $3 or $4 maybe, something like that. And then this chicken wire ribbon. This chicken wire ribbon was $3.99, and then 40% off of that, so $4.60. So about $2.20, $2.40 is how much this one was. And then I got some rolls of burlap. These burlap rolls are $5.99, and they are 15-foot rolls. I got 2 of them. So $6 at 40% off comes out to like about $3.60, somewhere around there, $3. So these are almost like getting 2 of them for the price of a little bit over 1. Tell me in the comments below which one was your favorite. I think my favorite was the little scarecrow, because his face is so sweet, and he's just gonna sit there probably on a shelf in my bathroom and just look really cute. So I think this one was my favorite from Dollar Tree, and this one was my favorite from Hobby Lobby. And then Joann's, well, you know, I only got the 3 pumpkins, so I guess I like them all. Really like this green color though. This one's really pretty. So tell me in the comments below, what was your favorite? And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!